In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Acuity, a necessary task that can feel daunting if you're not sure where to begin. Whether you're updating your contact information for clients or switching to a more professional email address, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First, start by heading over to the Acuity scheduling website. Acuity is a popular tool used by many professionals to manage appointments and schedules. Its intuitive interface makes it easy for users to navigate, but like any software, making changes to your account settings, like updating your email address, requires a little know-how. Once you're on the Acuity homepage, you'll need to access your account. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This action will prompt you to enter your existing account details, starting with your email address. Type the email address associated with your Acuity account into the designated field. After you've entered your email, you'll see a Next button appear. Click on this to proceed to the next authentication step. Acuity offers a seamless login experience, so here you have the option to continue with Google. This is particularly handy if your Acuity account is linked to your Google account, which for many offers a quicker and more secure way of accessing various online services. Selecting Continue with Google will bring up a list of Google accounts currently logged in on your device. Choose the account that is associated with your Acuity scheduling account. This step is simple but crucial, as selecting the wrong account could lead you back to square one or down a confusing path. Once you've successfully logged in, your next step is to navigate to the Calendar section of your Acuity account. This area is where all your scheduling magic happens: appointments, classes, personal time, and more. You'll find a link to go directly to your calendar, usually in the form of a straightforward text link or a button labeled Calendar or something similar. It's worth noting that navigation can vary slightly depending on any customizations you or Acuity have made to the dashboard layout. Inside the Calendar section, find the appointment or event for which you wish to change the email. It might require browsing through your schedule if you have a busy calendar, so take your time. Upon locating the correct appointment, click on it to view more details. With your appointment details open, look for an Edit option. This could be a button or a link, often found near the appointment details. Clicking Edit allows you to modify the specifics of your appointment, including the email address associated with it. Now you're at the crucial part, changing the email. In the edit mode, there will be a field labeled email or something similar where the current email address is displayed. Here's where you type in the new email address you want to use. Ensure you enter the correct email, as any typos could prevent your clients from reaching you. After entering the new email address, your last step is to save your changes. Look for a Save button, which is typically located near the bottom of the page or at the end of the form you're editing. Clicking Save will apply the changes to your appointment and effectively update the email address in your Acuity account where applicable. And there you have it, how to change your email on Acuity in several straightforward steps. Remember, keeping your contact information up to date in your scheduling software is key to maintaining smooth communication with your clients. Whether you're simplifying your login process or ensuring your appointment notifications go to the right place, taking the time to update your email can make a significant difference in your professional organization. Remember, it's always a good idea to double check the new email for any misspellings before saving your changes. And if you ever need to revert or make additional updates, simply follow these steps again to make adjustments as needed. And that's all for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most out of your favorite online tools and services. Until next time,